Have you ever felt like Instagram keeps showing you the wrong content? In this video, I'll show you how to reset and rebuild your Instagram algorithm step by step so your feed and reels match what you actually like. I've opened Instagram, and I recommend that you follow these steps along with me. First, go to the Reels section. Once you're there, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. From the menu that appears, select See Your Algorithm. On this screen, you'll see a message that says, Interests will appear here as you watch and interact with Reels. You can add interests yourself to see more of what you love. In my case, no interests are shown yet because I don't use Instagram very actively. For you, this section will likely already show interests based on your activity, such as what you watch, like, or interact with. To add interests manually, tap on the first Add button. I added memes as my first interest. You can repeat this process and add everything you're interested in. I added music and Dota 2, but you should choose topics that truly match what you want to see more of on Instagram. After that, you can also choose what you want to see less of. This helps Instagram understand which content you don't enjoy. In my case, I added snakes, but everyone should add topics they personally dislike or don't want to see in their feed. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust additional preferences, such as whether you want to see political content, sensitive content, and other recommendation settings. These options give you even more control over what appears in your feed. Once you're done, tap on Build Your 2026 Algorithm. On this screen, you can choose interests to share on your story and show others what your algorithm is based on. This step is optional. If you don't want to share it, simply go back. Finally, tap Save and Exit. Instagram will now start adjusting your recommendations based on the choices you made and your future activity. This is one of the easiest ways to take control of your Instagram algorithm and reset what you see every day. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Instagram tips.